Are you guys building a new hotel here? Oh, okay, so you didn't have one before?
No, it's under construction. It'll look to open about mid-2025. I don't have an exact date just yet.
Okay, nice.
Now, is everything on your ID up to date?
Yes.
North Bend Highway, and then the casino is on the right. Here we go.
Look it. Here we go. Guess where we're at? You see it on the map?
Snoqualmie Casino. Look at that.
Here we go. We are going to make a right in this Snoqualmie Casino. Hope this casino is good to us because Mama needs some money.
Yeah, I need some money.
There, it
for
looks
the
like
documents, the paperwork.
okay, self-parking.
Be nice to us.
Wow, it looks like they're building a hotel here. It looks new.
It
I guess
does.
that's the main entrance over there. That's where the valet is, but we're going over here.
But there, look at that.
I wonder what they're doing.
I think the hotel is already up. Maybe they're just making another entrance, or the hotel is not. Oh, the
It
hotel
looks
is still
looks
being built.
pretty new.
It's still under construction.
Yeah, it looks very new. So I guess there's no hotel yet, huh? Wow, huge mungos.
Well, it doesn't look that big.
Maybe they expanded the hotel. You're right.
I don't know.
Because look, here is the other part. I don't know. That's a good question.
Parking.
Let's find out where. I'm lost. I'm so
Here's
lost.
Parking at the back.
Okay, so we're gonna go park. Here it is. Let's go to the employee parking.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's pretty big.
Yeah.
But where's the casino?
Up in the top.
Okay, here we go. Let's go park. See, guess it's all the way up on top, huh?
All right. Yes, it is.
Ah, so they have a cocktail area there. Okay. Well. Where are we going? I'm lost. Let's go get our cards? Okay. Sportsbook area. Everybody doing the sports betting. And there's the high limit area. Let's go find out where we get a card. Guess this area is all the slot machines. There's your favorite game over there, your Fire Link. Oh wow, now this is huge. In here is big. I don't know what the rules are about walking through with a camera, but I'll see. I got a Vista Prime Steak and Seafood. I'm gonna turn this off until I go do a walkthrough. All right, here we go. We walked from the player's card area. We're walking clockwise. We are Snoqualmie. Milk money, huh? I don't know. This looks like milk money. Oh, complimentary beverages. I gotta go get my coffee. Oh, that one with the bear? Which one? Oh, okay. You're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna get some coffee. More coffee. Let's try the coffee here at Snoqualmie. Bold. See how that is. What's over here?
That.
She's gonna play. There she goes. Man, this coffee for some reason tastes like it has protein shake in it. For all those people that are drinking protein, you know how that tastes. It tastes like it has protein in it. Snoqualmie Cafe and Deli. Well, they got complimentary beverages here, which is cool. Now, whole dinner area. What is that called? Falls Dinner. They have a non-smoking section too. And look at the decor here. Look at how tall the ceilings are. Wow. We got a non-smoking section. We'll walk over there in a bit. Let's just see.
That's it.
What?
It's pretty small.
I think so. Oh, there is? More games? So this is, okay, there you go. Snoqualmie Cafe and Deli, the Falls Dinner. And then they have, so all the table games are in the middle. Right? And then they have the non-smoking gaming area right here. Oh, she's checking out the dinner, the buffet, to see how much it is. How much is the buffet? The buffet is prime rib dinner, $33.99. Friday, 4 to 10.
$40 each for $35 for us.
Yeah.
Sweet non $30 per person. Not bad. It's gonna be like that as well.
You want to walk around in the non-gaming, non-smoking section real quick? Here we go.
Non-smoking.
Non-smoking section. Let's take a gander around here. Buffalo Gold. So the question is for Mom, what machine is going to pay for documents? These new games here. Triple Dragon Unleashed. Paradise Moon. Big Hot Flamin' Pots. The non-smoking section doesn't have that many games. Oh, you know what's weird? I haven't seen is I don't think they have Dragon Link here. Well, that's a good thing for her. Alright, so I'm continuing. Here's the bar in the middle. And yeah, let me walk around. So they have a private gaming section right here. Private gaming salon. So as you can see, all the table games are in the middle. High limit area. And let me aim the camera to the right so you can kind of see while I'm walking through here. This whole baccarat area over here, baccarat, to pronounce it. They have a lot of games that I haven't seen in other casinos. Very dear. Look at this, duck dollars. And shooting ducks. Then over here is the Vista Prime Steaks Seafood. Oh man, look at that view right there. You can see. Wow, beautiful. Let's see. cross through the middle S section here. Let me fix this camera. Yeah, look at all these games. I have never seen any of these games before. So it tells you here this non-smoking section, but it has like the ashtray sitting right there. That's interesting. All right, anyways, let's keep walking around.
Seemed like he was going through that.
Right. BRB. Alright, back at it. Pinata game. That's a good chasing game right there. So over here you can actually go up to the cocktail section. Check that out. Place is packed really tight. I thought it was a lot bigger. Looked like a lot bigger in the pictures. Oh, this is where I kind of walked over earlier. Yeah, no dragon links here. That's good for her. She's not going to be sitting around chasing games. Prosperity links. No dragon links, but they have lightning links here. I think that's the closest thing to play. There it is. Sportsbook window line. Check this place out. They have a nice bar in there as well. Buffalo Triple Power. Yeah. Fat chickens. Look at this. It's like a cartoon. All right. Got a lot of buffalo games here. Huff and more puff. What is this? Casper's Jackpot Wheel. Friendly Ghost. Wow. Oh my god, those are huge. Wow. Wild Buffalo. I'm gonna have to try that out later. Yeah, Big Pig. They could have done better on the graphics on this thing. I'm just crisscrossing through so everybody can see the games here. Wild Monkeys. Game I really hate playing, firecracker chasing game. Luxury line. They have a lot of new games here, right? I haven't seen a lot of the older games like the 3 reels that people like playing. lightning links. So here are the table games over here on this side. A lot of UTHs, baccarat, blackjack. Oh, here, let's go over by the car that everybody can win. Win me Friday at 11 p.m. So if we stay here until 11 p.m., we might win it. Right. Drip Coffee Bar by the entrance. And over on the left side is called the Lit Cigar Lounge. Wow, that's cool. I've never seen any of these. The cigar bar. Texas tea. There's that bar where I walked by earlier. Little Shop of Horrors. And then you got your snow shop. Over this way since security is over there. So here's the other side where I walked by earlier. The craps table is full. You got these Buffalo Golds on the outside of the bar area. So over here, what's cool is that they got the all tall, small craps. Its minimum's $10 right now, and one table is completely full. So since they don't have inner block here, they have this roulette over here. I'm not sure what it's made by. Electronic roulette. You guys probably see all these new games that I've never seen before. So what's cool is they got free drinks here, but then check this water out. It's fresh pure and filtered water. Everybody need a drink. Well, that's about it, everybody. I think I walked through the whole thing already. So a lot of new games, not a lot of old games. Full smoking in here. Ventilation is not that great. But the non-smoking section is really small. Well, if there's anything else in here, I will show you when I record. I'm gonna go walk back over to the craps table and see what I can do over there. Thank you for tuning in. That's Snoqualmie. We are going to drive by the front real quick to see why their machines are so tight, to see why they wanted to make this so like. Anyways, I'm just bitter. Look at S for stingy. There you go. Oh, so this is called the Snow Stingy Casino. Okay, time to go. Goodbye.
Alright, love.
Waterfall. Hope you guys can pay your water bill.
I mean, water here is cheap.
Yeah.